Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
So hi guys, today I'm going to review the Samsung J6 Infinity version of the mobile, and let's see what this phone has to offer to us. So I'm your friend Manish and watching Technical Charges, so let's get started with the feature. So hi guys, this is the Samsung J6 Infinity, and in the box it says over here the 64GB variant of this phone, and beside that here it says the number of community and mobile number, and the price is saying 7,600, which is I think you're getting a little bit of discount on the online stores of Amazon. And if I say here the components we have getting the mobile phone, the data cable, the travel adapter, stereo headset, usual manual injection pin. So that is more from the box, and it says this and nothing more over here. So let me show you over here. Out behind the box it says Samsung J6 64GB Infinity display, 30 megapixel plus 8 megapixel fingerprint sensor, and over here it says that 14.25 centimeters of HD plus AMOLED display, and it's coming with the 4GB variant of RAM and 64GB, which I'm going to show you, but it's also coming with the 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. And this is a 64 octa-core processor and the 3000 mAh battery and the face recognition. Over here it says that made for India and duos and security by Knox, and that's from there. So let's start the unboxing of the box, and let's open up the box for you guys, and let's see what's the component of this box. So as I open up the box, so this is the phone inside the box, and let me take it out for you guys. So this is the phone which I'm taking right now. Inside that you can see on the top there's nothing. On the side there are volume rocker buttons and the two SIM card slots, one primarily used for extending your memory and which can be extended up to almost around 256 of GB, and in behind it we have a normal USB charger supported by the 3.5mm jack and the support for the mic. And on the side we have a volume power on and off button, and here we have a speaker vent, which is again a good side. And let's go to beneath, and on the beneath you can see a Samsung logo over here, not a glassy finish or like that which you are seeing in the prime ranges of the flagship phones, and just a 30 megapixel camera over here, and the flash and a fingerprint sensor. And over here we can see a primary normal a flash point and a for the camera, which is again a 8 megapixel camera. So let's boot this device and keep it aside, and let's see what the on the box inside the box. As I open it, I'm able to see a quick start guide and a SIM injector tool as usual. So this is a kind of the normal user guide which we are getting with the every phone, and let's keep this aside as well, and let's see what's the other component of the phone. So let's first focus on the headset which we are getting. This is again a normal headset which we are getting, not a primary headset or anything. So it's supported by the 3.5mm jack, which is good. Let's keep that aside as well, and let's see what we have others. So this is the normal USB cable which we are getting with this device, and so this is the charger which we are getting with this phone. And over here it says that 5 volt and 1 ampere. So this is not a fast charger as the battery is only of 3000 mAh, and that's the point of this all the things. So now let's keep this box aside as well. There's nothing inside this box, and let's focus on the phone and let's see what the phone has. Let's focus on the phone, and if I open up the phone, so this is the UI which we are getting in the first mode, and let me swipe up the screen. So this is the first UI which we are getting with this device. Over the top here I can see the normal version of the Android, and over here I can able to see, so okay, no auto brightness mode is available in this device. So it's a normal with the outdoor mode and show control on top. So there's not even auto brightness mode available with this phone. And let me show you the more UI. So many kind of bloatwares are already available in this phone, like Amazon Shopping, Prime Videos, Daily Hunt, Game Launcher, Samsung Max, Phone Pay, the weather, the Netflix, Uber Eats, and WhatsApp. So it's kind of a normal bloatwares which are already available in this phone. and if I go swipe up again and here, so this is I'm getting a Samsung Pay app. So this is all the features which we are getting. Let me show you the settings of this phone, and let me go to settings and show you that how this phone looks in the what Android version which we are getting. So let me go to about phone. So this is all the information which we are getting with this, and let me go to system information. So we are getting the Android 8.0.0 version, which is pretty much good. The Samsung Exynos version or the UI which we are getting is of 9, and that's it. And the update release software version which we are getting is of April 2018, and the patch value is of 1st April 2018. So it's overall, and this might be the this version. So let's see how the camera looks, and let me take a picture of the normal box only, and let me show you some samples over here. So this is the box which I'm going to take the picture. So over here we are getting the normal features like this expand mode, full view turn mode, which is good. This is of the flash auto turn off. So this is, I think, with the various version which you are getting with this, like which in like you can take a deep remove effect, anything which you want to take. And this is the timer. So let me take a couple of samples and let me show you that how the back camera is performing. So I clicked a picture of samples over here, and let me come back to the screen, main screen. So if you're able to see the screen though, here we have various options of panorama, night mode, HDR rich mode is available, night mode is available, panorama is available, pro effect is available, beauty effect is available, auto effect, stickers effect, and continuous shots. So this is all the features which you are getting with this phone. And if I go to video, so this is the normal video which I started the recording, and it's nothing more than in that. So no HDR function or any 4K recording with this phone. So let me see the front camera. This is the Samsung Pay Mall app which we can directly go from here, and let me rotate the camera. So it says take selfies easily and hold your palm where the camera can see to automatically take a selfie. So this is the camera which we are getting, and let me take a couple of selfies. So again here we are getting the full view mode turned on, which I turned on, and I again going to click a selfie, and this is selfie focus. So hold your phone at arm's length for the best blur effect. So let's keep it ahead and let's see how much blur it can make, and let me pick a selfie. So let's see how much. So this is again the sticker and the wide selfie mode which we are getting with this phone, which is again the good feature. So again I'm going to make the same kind of video which I made it for the OnePlus 6, and let's see how much the selfie or the kind of stuff it can take, and how much the video recording in the night mode. So let me show you a couple of samples in this. So this is the couple of samples which I clicked, and it's normal okay, and this is, so it has blurred the picture a bit, which is again a okay part. So for the selfie and for the camera test mode, which we are going to do in my another video as the OnePlus 6, I'm going to show you all that. So this is the pretty much of the phone, and that's it from my side this time around.
So I hope you liked my review about this phone and all the unboxing video. So I'm going to make the camera samples in the dark and going to show you the next week. So till then, comment on the video that what you like the video and what you want to see with this phone, what kind of test you made me to do. And please like this video, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.